Hello, my name is Masahiro Nakamura, and I am CEO of Lexer Research Inc. We are here today to introduce our solution, GP4, which allows its users to plan manufacturing processes and mass production prototyping. In terms of market positioning, GP4 is factory planning software for preparation of production, which has not previously existed in the IT world. GP4 is a technology that gives users the opportunity to provide best practice mass production prototyping in a virtual environment, from the planning stages to creating a mother line and implementing Kaizen. Okay then, let's give it a try. This is not video animation. This is a three-dimensional real-time representation. The virtual worker follows instructions automatically, walking to the parts rack, adjusting posture, conducting the assembly work here. You can see the waiting lamp. This means the worker is waiting to perform the task. Also, you can see that the speed of the conveyor belt is fast, so the worker's walk tends to drift to the right. Workers can go around racks on the shop floor. GP4 can handle not only line production systems, but also cell production, picking, inspection, and mechanical processing in a variety of ways. GP4 manages the synchronization between humans and machines in machine line processing. Also estimates the work time and waiting time automatically. Please look at the stacked bar chart. The boxes on the left show waiting time for the virtual worker. The center and right-hand sides shows the waiting time for machine work. I'd like to introduce the methodology of GP4. In GP4, work follows ordered procedures to virtual workers and virtual machines. GP4 understands the work procedures automatically from the beginning, and then finds the destination point, route of passage, and posture of the worker. Detailed descriptions of the procedures include products, facilities, layouts, and workers that will be stored in the process BOM. Let's change the layout and let's see how all of these factors change. Please look at the right-hand side column to calculate incident time excluding net time. Let's take a look at this line balance mode. This accurately reflects the effect that the layout has on the incident time. Next, let's modify the layout of the first process. If it's in the layout mode, you can easily change the layout with the 3D drag and drop. When going back to line balance mode, you can see the changes that have taken place. We can evaluate the workability score of the factory workers. If you click the red points, you can create postural stress points for picking up parts. We can define the scorecard for workability by the factory workers. Also, GP4 has a lot of validation methodology in addition to workability. You can conduct a numerical evaluation by summarizing the data. You can figure out productivity, workability, layout, logistics, and manufacturing costs at the planning stages. This will help you solve problems before they occur. Now I will move to a topic of great interest: how to make the data for GP4. Product data is imported from CAD and PDM data. We have three import methodologies. One is importing data from Excel and PDM. Second is to generate data from the product structure automatically. Lastly, GP4 can create virtual assembling data using drag and drop into the program. After that, add equipment, create a 3D layout with drag and drop, and you are ready for mass production prototyping. GP4 can import equipment from 3D CAD. Also, GP4 has over 500 facility parts in its library. GP4 can easily change the part specifications, so you can make facilities quickly. In terms of process design, one of the most important things is part supply methodology. GP4 can automatically generate 3D parts racks and set up parts by the line side by utilizing process data and part size. Please look at the automatic parts layout. Nothing is set up yet. We can select parts racks in parts rack creation mode. We can now create parts racks automatically. If we put this parts racks on the line side, parts get placed automatically, and the virtual factory worker can do his work. Also, GP4 can export a map of the shelves based on the dimensions of the parts. We can simulate not only validation of the process design and manufacturing line, but the entire factory itself. We can enable performance, lead time, availability ratio, and residence time of interim products. Each process works together with the 3D process design, so GP4 validates the impact to the whole factory from any changes in the layout. Let me show you an example. This example shows a line keeper providing the parts with some idle time at each stage. When displaying the results in a timeline, GP4 can predict the operation of each process and the residence time of each semi-manufactured good. With the functionalities I have shown you, GP4 can provide you with the following benefits: improved ability to explain through visualization, improved transparency through the white box effect, improved repeatability through standardization. Using these features will help you create a new generation manufacturing line. This has numerous merits, such as objective decision making, aggressive process planning, front-loading of Kaizen for high productivity, reduced time of design review, reduced indirect fixed costs, the training of a global manufacturing workforce, increased accuracy of standardized process design, and standardization control indexes in the process design. That concludes our presentation. If you are interested in GP4, please don't hesitate to let me know. We have several service menus, such as demonstration kits for trial use. Thank you for your time.